So in the attraction phase, what we're doing is we're going out there and we're doing content marketing. We're using videos and we're educating our marketplace about how we can actually solve their problem, how we get them from their current situation to their desired situation. So that's what marketing is. If you think about marketing, just replace the word marketing with education. We're going to educate the market on how we solve their problem. So we go out there and we create these long-form YouTube videos. This could be considered like a long-form YouTube video. Then what we do is we take this long-form video and we actually will cut it up into shorter pieces, and that becomes our short-form video. So here we'd post this on YouTube, and in this video we're driving people over to this funnel. Okay? And then in the short form is actually driving people to these long-form videos. They see a short-form video, which is just a piece out of the long-form video, and they go, there must be a bigger video. I want to learn more about this. They go and they check that out. And then we go live on different platforms like TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook. And then when we create this long-form video, what we do is we take it and we email it out to our list, and we're growing our list by educating people on how we actually solve their problems, similar to what I'm doing right now. We then take that and we drive people over to our funnel. And for people to get from this to here, they have to give us their email, which puts them on our email list. And it starts this automatic email sequence that goes out. And that email sequence is following up with them because the fortune is in the follow-up. So we have a machine that does that for us, driving them here. And this is your VSL page or your video sales letter. This is where you sell whatever it is that you're selling. If they decide that what you said in your sales video is good, they'll go to the next page or even on that page where they can sign up. As soon as they pay you, then you would deliver on your promise.